Yes, Rashmi Holland has given United their early lead against West Ham 1-0 there in the end. Absolutely wonderful scenes there at Old Trafford there. And what a game, what a sensation piece of game he is having there. The birthday boy, he's scoring 4 goals in the last four games here in the end. Wonderful sensation piece of start this United there. And yes, they are closing the gap to top four there in the end. Absolutely wonderful. If you like this video, so stay tuned for the latest updates from mine, and I'll try to keep lot of stuff. Latest updates are the scoopers and reviews, and keep tuning to my channel. And yes, keep supporting, keep sharing your analysis and your comments here in the end. So have a wonderful day, take care, and I hope you like this video. So lots of games coming up, and yes, I try to give all the latest updates there in the end. So that's it. Have a wonderful day. Take care.